What we always do, we put a mail shot out to the engineers, which would give them an idea of what their week ahead might entail in terms of the work, the sites they might be going to, if they're working away from home, if they have to stay away. A typical day would start with them travelling to site. When they arrive on site, if they need to, they would do an induction or something like this. And they need to make sure that their risk assessment and method statement is in place prior to carrying out the work. And once the job's completed, they would then approach the customer, let them know if there was any further issues with the machine, whether it's good to be able to use the machine again or whether there's more work to be done. They would then complete the field service app, notify the office and move on to the next job or travel home. So if somebody was considering a role as an engineer for UNTHA UK, I would always advise that we look for somebody who is proactive, who is self-motivated. It's really important that the engineers can take themselves through the path of the repair or the work that they're carrying out without too much support from everybody else. I think that the perks of the engineers' existence at UNTHA UK is that the machinery is good to work on, the company is a good size so everybody knows everybody else. You know, we all know each other's name, we're all familiar. The working hours can be long sometimes, but there's always benefits to that as well in terms of overtime. We try and keep the work-life balance as best as we possibly can. We always try and make sure that people have their weekends free as well. The guys always have good support from myself, from other people in the office. And yeah, it's just a good place to work, really.